I'm going to walk you through the signing up, the 4 deposit options that you have, which chain you should pick if you're using crypto, and exactly how you can verify your deposit, how you can withdraw, buy and sell the shares, and everything that you need to know to use Polymarket so that you can start making the real money that you wanted. If you go below the like button, there's the description of this video. You can click that to expand it, and there you'll have a Polymarket link. Or go to the official Polymarket Twitter account and click the link from there to make sure you do not click on fake links. I suggest you click my link, and once you're here, you basically sign up using your Google account or your email address is the easiest way. If you don't already have a crypto wallet, but if you do, you can sign up directly. If you don't know what these wallets are or how they work, I suggest you do a bit of research, not properly depositing or withdrawing, and you'll lose your money. I don't want that to happen to you. Even if you don't want to use a crypto wallet to sign up, I suggest you go understand the basics. Whichever way you choose, you just sign up and you'll have 4 different ways to deposit your money. You can directly do it with your card or PayPal, and if that works for you, you're good. But if it doesn't, or you're in a different country, you can also directly deposit using crypto. So let's start with your exchange, and the only one available right now is Coinbase. As you can see, you can connect your Coinbase account and deposit, and that is a simple process. Let me take you through this option. So basically, you have different chains. You can choose anything that you like, but assuming you'll probably either use a crypto exchange or your Web3 wallet to actually buy crypto, choose either USDC or USDT. See which of these chains your crypto exchange or the Web3 wallet you used already has. And I suggest you skip Ethereum and go with one of these faster chains. So once you have the supported token and the chain, make sure they're the right one. You can go ahead, scan the QR code and deposit directly from your phone, or you copy this exact address, go to the site wherever you're depositing from, and then make sure that the address matches exactly as the one you copied. Double check it. If you wait a couple seconds, your Polymarket account will update to show your new portfolio. First, deposit like $4 and check that it actually reflects in your balance. And once you're done, you can deposit like $10. And these $10 you'll use to explore the platform, buy a couple of these shares, sell those shares, see how this actually works, hold one until it resolves, make some money and lose some money. And once you fully understand, you can go ahead and implement your strategies, whatever you have. The minimum amount that you can buy through market orders is $1. And since here it says 96.5, I stand to make 4 cents on a dollar. Let me go ahead and buy this. And it's as simple as that. So once you have bought any of these outcomes, you can simply scroll down here and you can look at your outcomes, the quantity that you've bought, your average price, the current value of it, and the return you've made. And you can directly sell here as well. So let's say you bought like $10 at 57 cents, and let's say the price increased to like 70, 80 cents, and you wanted to get out. You don't want to wait until result. You can simply go to sell. You click on your shares. You enter how many shares you want to sell, the max being the number you bought, obviously, and then you can sell them the current price. And the same thing applies to limit orders as well. You can set the price that you want to buy at. Let's say you wanted to buy at like 45 cents and not 57 cents. A lot of the times, if the resolution date for a market is a couple days away, it's probably a good idea for you to set a limit order, and it'll most probably get filled. So you can just set the limit price, choose your direction, and then place your order. And you can also set expiry for the order. Just know that the minimum amount of shares is 5 for placing a limit order. So just make up the calculation. But let's say you end up winning the trade, the market resolves, and in the portfolio page, you can click claim and claim your winnings. If you don't claim it, this will just keep stacking up and you can claim all of that in just one go. Now, let's say you've made a bunch of money, unlike this little account that I have here. You want to withdraw that money now. You want to enjoy life. What should you do? Well, it's really simple. You click withdraw, and where it says recipient address, you just copy your deposit address from the Web3 wallet or your crypto exchange and then paste it here. Make sure you're selecting the right token and the right chain, and then make sure that those are both available on the wallet or the exchange that you're depositing onto. Click the first link in the description of this video to get started on Polymarket.